Class 10th. Subject: History and Political Science. Chapter number 6: Entertainment and History. Things that help refresh our minds and give a feeling of happiness are the sources of entertainment. Various hobbies, games, drama, film, writing, reading, etc. are the sources of entertainment. Why do we need entertainment? Healthy entertainment of excellent quality is essential for the healthy growth of one's personality. Entertainment keeps our minds lively and fresh. It may also make us feel physically more energetic. So eventually, our efficiency at work improves. Pursuing hobbies and games helps in personality development. In India, many festivals, sports, dance, music, etc. were developed as forms of entertainment since ancient times. There are varied forms of entertainment available in the modern period as well. Entertainment can be classified into two categories: active and passive. Active entertainment anticipates an individual's mental physical participation. Practicing handicrafts and participating in sport activities are examples of active entertainment. Watching a sports match, listening to music, or watching a movie are examples of passive entertainment. In this type of entertainment, we are not actual participants but only viewers. Folk theatre, puppetry, wooden puppets, Kathputali. Remains of clay dolls have been found in the excavations of archaeological sites of the Harappan civilization, as well as sites in Egypt and Greece. It is possible that they were used as puppets. In ancient India, materials like wood, wool, leather, horns, and ivory were used to make puppets. The Kathputali, a traditional art of puppetry in India, has two styles, one that developed in Rajasthan and the other in the southern regions of India. The artists who stage Kathputali shows are found in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Assam, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, and Kerala. The role of the narrator, known as Sutradhara, is very crucial in the success of a Kathputali stage show. The stage for this puppetry show is quite small, but the puppeteers use light and sound effects in an ingenious way. Shadow puppets, hand puppets, wooden puppets, and string puppets are used in Kathputali shows. Dashavatara Theatre. Dashavatara is a part of the folk theatre in Maharashtra. Dashavatara shows are presented in the regions of Konkan and Goa after the harvesting season is over. The stories presented in these shows are based on the 10 incarnations of Vishnu, namely Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narsimha, Vamana, Parashurama, Ram, Krishna, Buddha, and Kalki. At the beginning of the show, Sutradhara, the narrator, invokes Lord Ganesha, the destroyer of obstacles. The method of acting, makeup, and costumes in Dashavatara shows is set by tradition. The show is mostly musical, but sometimes there may be a few spontaneous dialogues. The characters representing gods use wooden masks. The show ends by breaking Dahihandi, an earthen pot of curds, followed by Arati, that is singing praises of the god. In the 18th century, Shyamji Naik Kale started a fad, a troupe of Dashavatara artists, which used to perform all over Maharashtra. Vishnudas Bhave, the pioneer of Marathi theatre, staged mythological plays by introducing some modifications in the Dashavatara style. Thus, the origins of Marathi theatre can be traced to the Dashavatara tradition. Bhajan, singing devotional songs. To sing songs in praise of God and chanting God's name, accompanied by instruments like tal, cymbals, mridangam, and pakhavaj is known as bhajan. Want to watch the full animated chapter with notes and test series? Then download the Hope Publications app, your smart companion for Class 10 Maharashtra Board. Learn easily, understand deeply, and score higher. Remember, smart learning, bright future. Download link is given in the description below. Start your journey of smart learning today.
इंट्रोड्यूसिंग होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 10th के लिए एक कंप्लीट डिजिटल लर्निंग सोल्यूशन। यहाँ मिलते हैं साइंस, हिस्ट्री और ज्योग्राफी एक्सप्लेनेशन वीडियोस, चैप्टर नोट्स, टेस्ट सीरीज और माइंड मैप, सब कुछ एक ही ऐप में।
बच्चों के कॉन्सेप्ट्स अब बहुत आसानी से क्लियर हो रहे हैं और हर टॉपिक अच्छे से समझ में आने लगा है। अब स्टूडेंट सिर्फ सुनते ही नहीं, समझते भी है, क्योंकि होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप बनाता है पढ़ाई को इंटरैक्टिव। अब मुझे अपनी बेटी की पढ़ाई की कोई चिंता नहीं। होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप के साथ वो खुद जिम्मेदारी से सीख रही है।
होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप ने मेरे बच्चे की पढ़ाई को आसान और मजेदार बना दिया है। अब मुझे अपनी बेटी की पढ़ाई की कोई चिंता नहीं। होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप के साथ वो खुद जिम्मेदारी से सीख रही है।
अब पढ़ाई बोरिंग नहीं, होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप है ना। होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप से मेरी प्रिपरेशन हो रही है टॉप क्लास।
अब नोट्स ढूंढने की टेंशन खत्म, सब कुछ इस ऐप में रेडी है।
साइंस, हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी सब एक जगह, एक ऐप पर।
होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप ने हमारी स्कूल की पढ़ाई का लेवल ही बढ़ा दिया है। अब हर क्लास डिजिटल बन रही है।
हर सब्जेक्ट, हर कॉन्सेप्ट अब आपकी उंगलियों पर। होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप डाउनलोड करें आज ही।